Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay, and of course the performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so guys, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, we will be checking out boom 1000 right away, and of course we're going to see how to go about it. Okay, so this is boom 1000. This had been on a very strong I wish you had watched my video in the morning. It had been on a very strong downtrend, okay, because it was just descending around then. It was an uptrend before, but right from there it started going down. Most of my subscribers will have made lots and lots of profit right from here, most especially those that are having the 3M trend milker indicator. Okay, so this will keep on selling until it gets to this support zone. So it is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500. Just the way we have seen, this had also been on a very strong uptrend, got to this region, but we'll be going back on downtrend any moment from now. So it will soon start selling any moment from now, so you should take note of that. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, then definitely the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. This has actually been crashing right from here, got to this region, pull back. This was a major pullback, but still went down to crash down till it got to this support zone. Still unable to break out from the pullback again, and still unable to break out from the support zone, but this time around broke out till it got to this support zone. So it went up and for it to sell again. So if it's unable to break out below this support zone, then definitely it should try this resistance zone again. So this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out from that support zone. That is when it will be buying right from there. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 500. Just the way we have seen it, this had been on a very strong uptrend, and of course if it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, then definitely it will go back on downtrend, but it will be trying it out at the moment. So it is buying at the moment until it is unable to break out from there. That is when it will go back on sell trend. Okay, that is very, very important. So the final asset we'll be checking out is going to be volatility 75. Okay guys, this is volatility 75, and just the way we have seen it, this had been on uptrend for a very long time, played around there for a while before trying out this resistance, but was unable to break out from there. So it pulled back and tried it out again. So it will be it's trying to go back on downtrend at the moment. So if it's unable to break out from this resistance zone, then it's going to sell more. So this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity, most especially once it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. So it will be selling more right from there, except if it breaks out above that resistance zone, that is when it will not sell. So these are all that we are unable to come up with. And of course, all you just need to do is just to make sure you apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.